Imagine this. With one prompt and a single click, you can automatically create your complete inventory analytics dashboard and pivot sheet. Fully dynamic inventory analytics dashboard in Excel using Gemini AI. Sounds interesting, right? Let's get started. This is our inventory analytics dataset, which contains the inventory information required to build our dashboard. The dataset download link in the video description. Let's begin. First, open Google Chrome and search for Gemini AI. Click on the official Gemini website. If you're already signed in with your Google account, you can directly start using Gemini. You'll now be on the Gemini AI homepage. Next, we need to provide a prompt. Now, copy the inventory dashboard prompt. We've already included the complete prompt in the video description, so you can copy it and use the same prompt. Once you've copied the prompt, paste it into Gemini AI, then click Submit. Gemini will analyze and generate the complete inventory analytics dashboard VBA code within a few moments. Once the VBA code is generated, copy the complete code. Now open Microsoft Excel and press Alt plus F11 to open the Visual Basic Editor. Then click the Insert tab and select Module. Paste the VBA code you copied from Gemini AI into the module. Close the VBA editor. Now press Alt plus F4 to run the macro directly. You can also create a button to run the macro. Let's create the button. Go to the Insert tab. Click Shapes and select Rounded Rectangle. Draw the button on the dashboard. Next, set the shape outline. Choose a suitable shape style and apply a glow effect. Rename the button to Build Dashboard. Increase the font size, make it bold, and set the alignment to center for a clean, professional look. Now, right-click the button and select Assign Macro. Choose the Generate Dashboard macro and click OK. Now click the Build Dashboard button. As you can see, the VBA code starts running and our dashboard is being created automatically. And look at this, our complete inventory analytics dashboard has been created automatically. We also have interactive slicers that allow us to filter the dashboard dynamically. As you can see, the dashboard sheet has been created along with the supporting pivot sheet. This saves us a lot of time because we don't need to manually create every pivot table, chart, KPI card, slicer, and formatting element. If you'd like to build the same dashboard, download the dataset and complete prompt from the video description and follow along with the tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to vizspire AI for more AI automation tutorials.